Si trabajas en tech y debes mejorar tu inglés, debes tomar esta prueba de nivel para saber en qué debes mejorar. Prepárate porque esta prueba de apenas 20 preguntas te evaluará tu speaking, listening y grammar y verás tus resultados de manera inmediata. Si estás viendo este video en YouTube, dale al link en la descripción para obtener la versión interactiva de la prueba. La prueba es de nivel progresivo, así que no te estreses y responde todas las preguntas. Nada de nervios, así que vamos por ella. Question 1. I've been coding all day. Question 2. Last week, a new programming language. Question 3. Repeat after me. I forgot to save my code. I have lost all the changes. Question number 4. My team lead appreciated my work. Question number 5. Where did I put my USB drive? Question number 6. I can't find any online courses for Python that are worth my effort. I wish they better Python courses online. Question 7. Repeat after me. I need to update my software regularly to avoid potential security threats. Question number 8. I wish my team the code-based performance. Question number 9. I wish I could understand the intricacies of machine learning. If I more time, I will delve deeper into learning. Question 10. It's important that your code deployment. Question 11. Repeat after me. In Agile methodology, work is divided into small, manageable parts called sprints. Question number 12. Yesterday, my code failed because I skipped unit testing. Question 13. Repeat after me. Data encryption is a critical aspect of ensuring the security and integrity of information. Question 14. Fill the blank. Python is widely used in data analysis. It's a powerful programming language. Question 15. Repeat after me. Proper documentation is critical in software development as it provides essential information to the users and future developers. Question 16. Another speaking exercise. We've debugged many errors already, but we are not done yet. We're almost there. Question 17. The scalability of the system was severely affected due to improper use of resources. Question 18. It's time for you to talk again. Leveraging cloud computing services can greatly enhance the scalability and performance of an application. Question 19. Another speaking exercise for you. A blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks that are linked using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash on a previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. And the last question, and with this question, we're ending the test. And with this question, we give the test finished. Fantastic. You've made it to the end of the test, and now you are able to check your score. If you want to improve your English and connect with international opportunities, we have prepared the perfect course for you to do so. You can pre-register right now and be the first one to know once it's launched. We're going to have the exact same experience and other perks that we're going to tell you in your email. So just sign up right now. Great. If you have enjoyed this experience, just follow us on YouTube on Adfluence and talk to you soon. Have a good one.